How to make money on YouTube? There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Monetize your videos through the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have a YouTube channel with at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the program and monetize your videos through ads. Sell products or merchandise. You can create and sell products or merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts or mugs, through a service like Teespring or Printful. You can also link to these products in your video descriptions. Offer paid services or memberships. If you have a skill or expertise that you can offer, you can create a paid service or membership program on your channel. For example, if you are a musician, you can offer paid music lessons through your channel. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows, you may be able to secure sponsorships and brand deals from companies that want to advertise their products or services through your channel. It's important to note that making money on YouTube takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it may take months or even years before you start seeing significant income from your channel. However, if you are consistent and create high-quality content, it is possible to build a successful YouTube channel and monetize your videos.